Let's hear from Leann, a dual major in Spanish and biochemistry and molecular biology, and a member of the track and field team. Many Great Danes juggle sports and academics, and Leann's story shows how at UAlbany you can achieve all your dreams and make great memories along the way. The floor is yours, Leann. Tell us more.
Thanks for the intro, Alex. What's good, y'all? Many things brought me to UAlbany, including track and a desire to go to medical school. As a child of immigrant parents, academics have always been important in my family. For my dream college, I knew I wanted one with academic rigor and access to research. At UAlbany, I got to do an internship at the RNA Institute after my freshman year, which was great because I'm a biochemistry major. I worked on a project involving DNA nanotechnology for drug delivery. Undergraduate research is a big component of the student experience here at UAlbany. For my thesis, I was able to combine my studies in STEM and Spanish to work on a project examining the healthcare experiences of Spanish speakers in New York. I'm also vice president of Doctors for Hope, a pre-professional organization here on campus that supports academics, service, and professional development for pre-health students. My experience at UAlbany would be nothing without track and field. My teammates are some of my closest, most cherished companions who will be lifelong friends. My coaches and trainers have also been an integral support system on campus. Through track, I have been able to garner every triple jump record at UAlbany. I've competed internationally for my dad's country, and I've been to the NCAA championships every year. If you told me that 4 years ago, I wouldn't have believed you. After UAlbany, you'll find me at SUNY Upstate Medical University completing my MD studies. UAlbany has taught me many things, including how to build, maintain, and utilize a support system to take care of myself. I would love to see many more students excel beyond their expectations here at UAlbany. Back to you, Alex.
Leann, you are a star by competing on one of UAlbany's 19 Division I athletic teams. While excelling in your studies, you're showing what it means to unleash greatness. Good luck as you go on to medical school. Thanks again.